avoiding loose from the other excavator. It's in 35 BL. This is it. Take a look at it. We are avoiding just drop the engine on ground. This is the engine completely. Before we install it on the machine, let me take some CB off it first. That 116. So you can see right here. So the full machine completely, and the crankshaft seal had failed, which I have done replace. This is the old one. This is the old one I've just removed from it. As you can see, this is the new one. It has already been installed properly. So, and secondly, the flywheel. This the flywheel teeth is junk, as you can see. Some of the teeth have already broken off. As you can see there, right there. The teeth have broken off, and all the teeth have gone worn. So we'll be installing new flywheel teeth on it. So after that, we'll install it on the machine. So guys, stay tuned. If this is your first time of you coming across my video, guys, do well to share this video and follow my page for more updates.